I speak not just to your ears, but to your soul. For I know some of you are smiling outside, yet carrying scars only God has seen. You have walked through fire without applause, cried silent tears in the midnight hour, fought battles no one gave you credit for. But heaven kept record of every moment when the world turned its back on you, when voices tried to break your spirit, when doubt whispered you are not enough. God stood firm and said, you are mine. You are not forgotten. You are not broken beyond repair. Oh, you are chosen, refined, and strengthened by trials that were meant to destroy you. Every scar tells a story of survival. Every tear watered the seeds of your growth. Every setback was a setup for the power God placed inside of you. So stand tall, even when your knees feel weak. Speak life, even when pain fills your chest. Hold faith, even when you cannot see the way, because God is already where you are going. To my real top massive, to my real top massive, to my real top massive, to my real top massive.
What go on, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, good morning. Happy Sunday to you. One of my subscribers asked me to say this to Maki. If you are such a God-loving person, think about what God, Jesus, Buddha would do if they were in your situation. Yes, that was the question they said to ask you. What do you think Jesus, Buddha would do if they were in your situation? Welcome, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? All right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come to you if you have the money to pay. If you don't worry yourself. We're going to call your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your grandmother-in-law, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law. We're going to call everybody. At least one person will be able to carry you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Have you done your wellness check yet? Please, I'm begging you, do your wellness check on your family and your friends. Make sure everybody is all right, because wellness check, not wellness check, mental health crisis is not a joke. Guys, at the weekend, a Sunday, red rice and roaster day. Are your birthday? If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Go have fun, enjoy yourself, and remember, don't drink and drive, because drinking and driving is not good for both you and the other person on the street. And guys, if you go out and drink and take a taxi, if you're in Jamaica, anywhere you is, if you take a taxi, remember, take a picture of that license plate, of the vehicle. If you can take a picture of the person driving the vehicle, that would be even good. Send it to your relative, send it to somebody. So that means if in case of something should happen to you, you know where to go, who to go, and how to deal with the situation. Anyway, guys, before I go into the video, You see me cup? Yes. So this morning I'm drinking. Every morning I drink a glass of this drink. It is beetroot, carrot, ginger, and apples. This time I did exactly what one of my subscribers says to do. I put some celery in it, and I tell you the truth, it's very, very nice. I didn't get to make any video for this one. However, I'll make a video when I'm going to make my next batches. So guys, let me get a morning drink because 1 cup of this in the morning is very good for you. Guys, we got to eat and drink healthy because it's not like we're getting younger. So let me get a drink. I tell you guys, refreshing, very nice. It's very unique with that celery in it also. So guys, I don't really listen to Drunkertown people. So I'm gonna be honest. I don't really know some of what they do over there because I don't listen to them. But what happened is my subscribers will send me clips and all those things. However, yesterday, one of my subscribers, loyal, one of my long-time subscribers, big up on yourself, all my subscribers, enough respect to new subscribers, whole subscribers, all of my subscribers is my beautiful, lovely, splendacious, fabulous subscribers. Thank you so much for watch the video, like the video, and share the video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, but you're still watching, come in, man. Where you waiting, man? Come in. And guys, the membership is still out there. You know, I'm trying to fix it a little bit better where you can gain something from it. So hopefully I'll be able to fix it very soon. But guys, I want to talk about something that a subscriber sent me yesterday. The subscriber sent me a video of from Vdyz Studio. And guys, what Vdyz Studio was talking about was a lot of nonsense and, you know. But there was one thing that the subscriber talks about. And I want to let you all hear it through my eyes. Listen what he says through my eyes. And then I'll talk about what he said out of my mouth in my terms. So guys, I want you all to listen to exactly what Vdyz Studio said. I won't hide this picture because the last time I did a video with the trucker one day, someone says I did something to the video and it's not him. So this time I'm not going to hide the video. I'm going to show you the video. So we go sit and watch and listen to what he said. You ready? Get ready while I drink my beetroot juice. Very refreshing.
Thanks.
Tomorrow it's not guaranteed. We all know that.
What are we going?
But I never heard Boo wish bad fish dead. I never hear that yet. So I don't know if my ears never hear something. If somebody did hear that part there, I will stand corrected. But
Car, me can tell Boo one. Me can tell Alicia Kim one thing. If Boo dead tomorrow morning, Boo will die as the man that got used by a young girl. If Alicia Kim dead tomorrow morning, she will die as the woman that used the old man. That don't make you a good person, Alicia Kim. You understand? So when I tell people if you go lay down, I saw you want to go out, and that's you said to Boo, right? As Mackie, I saw you want to go out.
I saw you want your last days to be.
Yeah, now me I ask you the same thing, Alicia Kim. I saw you want to go out, destroy people marriage, laugh, and look, you know, the Fox guy where they try to get some attention now, and the pastor, the fake pastor. Big up yourself, Tashel, my big friend. Well, me never listen to none of them. But person says that Like seriously, me stop listening to them. Like me no bother listen to them no more. The last person me listen to was Yai bro. And me just say, you know what? I don't know this. Me can't do it no more. Me can't do it. Cause them twist the story. So them good at twisting story. They like and with a straight face, you know.
Me. I'm afraid of them.
Oh God. So me cut them off. But person says that them must say the baby is not Nari's baby. Woo-hoo.
They might try divert the conversation. But as Rory say, she has sent her sister to come defend. Yes, and him say, hear him now. I don't know if she plan to come out. But I'm doing yes, well, I know whether or not she plan to come out on a talk. Stop telling lies.
All right, you see, like how them say, Nari is not the baby father. Anybody know which hospital she give birth in? Send me that information, and I will tell you exactly whose name is on that baby birth certificate. If you have the information of the hospital that she give birth in, just the name of the hospital, we don't want no more, just the name. Send it to me. We know if we look up them somewhere. We know if we find them somewhere. We know if technology is great, people. And we will tell you the baby name. So all we need, because every baby we register in America now in the hospital is register, you know?
There's so much problem. They might try to
people, if we don't know which hospital she give birth in, I will tell you baby do last name. No, them are gonna say we attack the baby. Them people are seeking up people. Them people are so Ford man call her name already. It's Rosido. Car, say that name for me. At the town she live in. Hold on there. At the town she live in, where she give birth, the hospital lesson. Okay, hold on there. All right, people. No worry, no say. We soon know.
Guys, you all here while I drink. I finish my glass while I drink my healthy juice. So guys, let me say this. Do you see how far they will go just to try to hurt Alicia Kim? So Vdyz Studio, as a matter of fact, he just crossed the line again. He crossed the line about 1,000,000 times, but so he don't want nobody to say nothing about his daughter. But he want to go to the farthest level and send out his goons to go find the hospital that Alicia Kim have baby, so he can send out his goons to find the information of the baby's name. That's how far you won't believe how far they will go to get a certificate, a baby certificate. You imagine? Yeah, they actually send out people to go find what hospital Alicia Kim have baby at. Now, tell me something. Isn't this... What is this? What would you call something like this? Because something like this is way beyond... I don't even know what word to really use. If you're going to go this distant to get Alicia Kim baby's name because you want to prove if it's Nari's kid, that simple mean, listen this good, that simple mean your accusation about if the kid is for Nari or whose the kid is all false. Are you all realizing what you're doing? Listen to me really good. Who's this, man? Listen to me really good. If you guys want to go that extra mile just to get a survey ticket, to know the surname on the survey ticket, to see if it's Narikid or if it's not Narikid, that means all you guys are doing is telling lies then. Do you see where I'm coming from? If that's how you guys looking at life, then why are you guys telling lies on this man and this woman? Because as far as you guys concerned, it's Nari's kid, but you don't have no valid, you don't have nothing to say it's his kid. But now you want to, I see in your comment section where people is saying it's public record and all those kind of things. That means you guys are digging just to find her baby's name. Now, let me say this to each and every one of you. What if when you find her baby name, it's not Nari name on it? What are you going to do? What if when you find the name, listen me good enough. What if when you find the baby name, Nari's name is on it? What are you going to do? Talk about the same thing you've been talking about, that Nari and Alicia Kim is together. So what's the difference? Let me say this. To this lady named Kari. I don't know you, and I don't want to know you. But listen to you as a woman talking. You know, a lot of us never know anything about. People never know you all before social media. People never know nothing about Uno until social media. And I realize that's what you guys are, the hype, the 15 minutes fame, the 15 minutes acknowledgement. Because listening to you as a woman, beating down another woman, is just really low down, dirty shame. Listening to you talking to a man who come on social media with his daughter to tell me, a grown man, where I could go suck back juice, my mother, is a dirty shame listening to you. And if you realize, I never even look back at that little girl who tell me I should go suck back juice, my mother. Because I could look back at her, wicked. But I don't grow up that way. I wasn't brought up that way. I'm not that kind of man. I am a 54-year-old human being that I will never try to carry down a young girl without, she don't even start to live any life yet. So I will not go out and do that. But Alicia Kim just starting to live her life. As a matter of fact, she started living her own life from she was in Jamaica. When you realize that she's showing her life that she used to live in Jamaica, she didn't really want, oh yeah, I love this man. Let's go ahead and have a relationship. Never know it was going to be a, I didn't know what ship to call it. But you guys are willing and ready to go off her baby birth certificate. Wow. Wow. Just to get a name. And up till now, not one of you. Hold on. Let me just drop this in there a little bit. I listen, you know what? I'm not going to call her name. Because I don't really make videos about you Town anymore. But I go make this one. Just sit down and really think within all of yourself. My viewers and subscribers, if you reach this far in the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, And also, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, man. Yes, subscribe. Build the channel. 15,000 is the order of the day. Make we reach 15,000 very soon. Guys, imagine, or don't imagine, you have a baby and you're living your life, and grown people, grown man and woman, is just taking your baby apart. And then after the one vibe sent out in cronies to go look for the hospital, just to find the birth certificate, him say, oh, them are going to talk about, we are talking about bad about the baby now. What is this? What is this? A baby. If you notice me, I know a lot about people and their kids. Me? Nope. I'll never say anything about the kids. Nope. I go right around them kids. Leave that alone. That's kids. If they're grown woman, I can say something about them. But kids, I don't even want to know when a person kid born. What date, what week, what hour, for who for no. I don't want to know that. If I do not want to know that. I have information about a lady that is pregnant. And I could have put it out there. But she's pregnant. She is pregnant. The baby is in her belly. And I will never, you never hear me come out and say anything about that situation. And that's why I shut down that situation. And when that lady have baby, you will never hear me come out and say a word either. I won't say what it is, who it is, none at all. I leave it alone. I don't even start to talk about that situation because that lady is pregnant. But you guys, you not think about that. You beat Alicia Kim 9 months. Now you turn to the baby. As far as Kari said, she have never heard any Maki said anything bad. No, that's what Shikari said. She have never heard Maki says anything bad. Uno hear her on herself. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next videos, be good, walk good, don't drink and drive, check on your family. Mental health crisis is not a joke. I'm out. Bye bye.